Hello everyone, welcome to another video. As I said on previous videos, you can always spot a queue jumper. Normally, anyway. I didn't spot this one. I've got to say, I didn't expect it and I didn't see it. The queue jumper, believe it or not, is the bus. There is no bus stop that he has to be over to the left hand side for. As we go to the front, it cuts across two lanes to go into the right turn only lane.
Look at that! A queue jumping bus. Unbelievable.
Now at this point I was thinking maybe it's a mechanic or something driving it and it's out of service, but there it is, stopping at a bus stop. So it's in service, it is a proper bus driver driving it, so he must know the route. Why didn't he just get behind me? Because he's a queue jumper.
Unreal. Absolutely unreal.
I think you know our cars and how to say our name. Maybe it's time to think again. It's Hyundai, by the way. It's the dawn of a new Hyundai.
Although I never see the phone, it's pretty obvious what she's doing, isn't it? I have speeded this bit up. It's 3.5 times faster than normal, just because I know it's a bit boring, but you can see the head bopping up and down to see what she's doing. Just another squirrel that runs out in front of me today. There he is. I don't know how, but I did miss him again. There he is. Now, with today's rules of having to give 1.5 meters to a cyclist, I think that's a little bit close. On this clip here, the left-hand lane becomes a slip road to come off. Obviously, the VW wants to come off. I don't know why this car up the inside of me keeps accelerating. Maybe he thinks that I'm going to do it as well, blocking me off. But this car just overtaking me also wants to come off. So why it's in lane 3, I have no idea. So you've got the VW that's just pulled across. And now this one does need to get across, but how late do you want to leave it? That late, I suppose. And now if we go to the rear, he wasn't the only one. That car to our left, as we're looking at it, is also coming off. Again, it's in lane 3. What's it doing there? But again, he leaves it to pretty much the same place as the last car. How refreshing is this? A cyclist waiting at a red light. It's past the line, but it is waiting at a red light. And if we go to the rear view camera, my bad, he was just waiting for me to get across before he can go through the red light. Same thing here. No hesitation, just straight through. Now has the rules changed again? Have I got to let this man go? He seems to think I have got to wait for him. We're in good old Brixton for this one. Here he is. Now that's the line that he should be waiting at. But he's got no intentions of waiting at a red light, has he really? After he sorts himself out. He will be just going through the red light. Hangs about in the middle of a junction for a little while. That's not dangerous at all, is it? Now, zebra crossings. A driving instructor should know this, but this lady over here with the red hat sticks out like a sore thumb. She looks to me like she wants to cross. The driving instructor goes straight through. That's really poor. In my day, that would have been a foul on your test. Now in this clip, we're in good old Croydon stroke Fulton Heath area. Bristol Palace Football Club is behind us. Now we're looking at this road here. I've speeded it up a little bit. This is a two-way street. It's not one way. So that guy's can't be bothered to wait in the traffic and goes down the wrong side of the road to turn right. Nice clear view of his number plate. This one does exactly the same. The danger of doing that is this. The bike coming up the outside, as always with a right turn. Nice view of his number plate as well.
You guys all just going on the wrong side of the road.
As you can hear, I was a bit confused at the time whether it was a one-way street, but it definitely isn't. Going down the wrong side of the fucking road. Fuck Bibbin. Who the fuck was Bibbin? That's a red. But there you go. Now I was a little bit slow to see the police woman up there telling us to go. Normally, when police are around shutting roads in Croydon, there's normally a stabbing. But thankfully, it's just that the roadworks, traffic lights are out. And as for who was bibbing, I'm pretty sure it was this chap. The aggressive way he pulled out of that turning. I'm pretty sure it was him. Now this one here, I had music playing, which is why I had to delete it because of copyright. But I think I would have waited if I was her. She doesn't even look at me. She doesn't even acknowledge I was there at all. It's like she didn't even see me. Now I'd give this guy the benefit of the doubt if it was during the day. But at night, he can see my headlights.
Wait, wait, wait. No, you're not going to wait, are you? You're just going to keep going. We'll all wait for you, mate, yeah? Well done. Quality bit of driving that, mate, quality. Fucking idiot.
Now this clip here, it's a pedestrian there. Just casually walks across the road without a care in the world.
don't know if this car...
Now, I've got a little bit of a debate going on about 3-point turns on the channel. People saying it's fine to do a 3-point turn on a busy road. Doesn't seem to matter. What about this one? Do you think this one's done correctly? In the right place, in the right manner?
Grab that one. What an absolute muppet that is. What a place to do a 3-point turn.